This video will give you an honest opinion about the HP OMEN 16L Pro Business Gaming Desktop, including both its pros and cons. I have provided the link to this desktop PC in the description below if you want to know how much it costs. Let's start with performance, which is where this machine really shines. The AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor is a beast. It runs at a base frequency of 4.1 GHz and can turbo boost up to 5.0 GHz. That kind of power is not just numbers on paper, you actually feel it whether you're rendering video, playing AAA games, or running heavy music production software. Paired with the new NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060, this system handles demanding titles and creative workloads with impressive ease. Even in longer sessions, it remains surprisingly responsive and cool thanks to its optimized airflow and solid build. Now let's talk memory and storage, because that's another area where the OMEN 16L Pro sets itself apart. It comes with a whopping 64 GB of DDR5 RAM, which is basically overkill for most users, but for professionals who juggle 20 Chrome tabs, virtual instruments, and editing software all at once, it's exactly what you need. Combine that with a 2 TB PCIe M.2 SSD, and you're looking at lightning-fast boot times, minimal loading screens, and plenty of room for all your files, plugins, and large game libraries. Honestly, it's a productivity powerhouse disguised as a gaming rig. That said, not everything is perfect. While the design is clean and the connectivity is excellent, with plenty of USB-A and USB-C ports, HDMI, DisplayPorts, and even a bundled Poly C3225 stereo headset, the tower itself is quite large. It's not the most space-saving setup if you're working with a smaller desk. Also, although the RTX 5060 is a powerful GPU, it's not the highest-end card out there, so ultra-competitive gamers chasing max frame rates on 4K might want to look elsewhere. But for 1080p and even 1440p gaming, it absolutely holds its ground. One of the underrated pros of this setup is the inclusion of Windows 11 Pro, which gives you enhanced security features, better remote access options, and a more productive UI. Plus, if you work from home or collaborate with a team, those little OS advantages add up over time. The PC also comes with Wi-Fi 6 and Bluetooth, so you're future-proofed on the connectivity front. In summary, the HP OMEN 16L Pro is an excellent desktop for gamers, streamers, and creative professionals who want solid all-around performance with serious multitasking capabilities. It's not the flashiest setup, but what it lacks and looks it makes up for in raw, consistent power.